Hi guys! Today we will cook very interesting, completely unusual salad. It's called herring under a fur coat. Оселедець під шубою.
What the hell?
Its name is very strange even for Ukrainians, but during the cooking process you will understand why it has such a name.
Yummy.
It's impossible to imagine any holiday without such a salad in Ukraine, so if you want to have holiday in your life without any reason, just cook this salad. Let's do it together. If your onion is spicy, pour boiling water over it for 5-10 minutes to give up its hotness. Boil eggs, carrots and potatoes. Remember that carrots take a little longer to cook than potatoes, so you must put them in earlier. While everything is cooking, cut the herring into cubes. Don't forget to salt. When the vegetables are ready, begin to form the salad. Grate the potatoes first, then form the bottom layer of our salad from it. Place the onions after the potatoes, then herring. After the herring is laid, thoroughly soak everything with mayonnaise. Then rub and lay the carrots. The next layer is the eggs. Next comes the beetroot. And again, cover everything with mayonnaise. You can add a green apple to the salad if you want, but cook the classic version of the salad for the first time, as I showed you in this video. You can improvise with the design, but believe me, the salad is so delicious that you'll forget about the design at all. But don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.